Lord Chaitanya goes on. Eta bali falafele prachira langiya aiche pavitra prema seva jagat jiniya. Such is the service of Raghava Pandit. He did not accept the coconuts, but threw them over the wall. Maybe he was a little angry too. Can't say, doesn't say that, but he didn't even put them aside and say, well, I'll consider them offered and I'll eat them later. He threw them over the wall. So he didn't accept them. Raghava's service is purely based on unalloyed love. Aiche pavitra prema seva jagat jiniya. And it conquers the whole world. Jiniya means conquers. So his prem seva. And that's our goal. Our goal is prem seva. So in prem seva there's such a standard of excellence. Such a standard of cleanliness. Because someone says, what is your goal? To go back to Godhead? No. Our goal is not to go back to Godhead. We'll go here, there, anywhere. But our goal is to serve Krishna. We don't want to go back to Godhead unless we can serve Krishna. Just to go there and chill out, or enjoy, or relax, or kick back, or lay back and eat mangoes and watch the clouds go by. And when we get hot, we bathe in the Yamuna and sleep under the Kadamba tree. And sometimes we see Krishna and say Haribol, Haribol. It's not that we don't have this idea of enjoying in the spiritual world. We want to go wherever the service is, like a soldier in the army. They said, "Listen, soldier, now we're fighting a front in Africa. So you get in this boat, you go to Africa, and you fight for India." "Yes, sir." And he goes and fights. He said, "Now listen, our theater, they say the war theater. Now we're fighting in China. So you get here in this airplane and you go to China and you fight." So the soldier goes wherever the commander sends him, and he's happy. So the devotee goes wherever Krishna sends him. He has no other desire than that.